Scott from Just Between You and Me. I am on an e-bike ride. I'm on Jenny 2, my Ecotric fat tire bike. We are along the Atlantic Ocean. We are in Key West, Florida. Taking a bike ride. As you can see, it is a gorgeous sunny day in Key West. Temperature is going to be about 80 degrees today. It's breezy. It's nice outside. Not too shabby for the first day of 2022. Look at that view. You can't beat it. If you can see that parasailor that's out there, kind of cool. This happens to be the most visible view and longest stretch, I think, in Key West of the Atlantic Ocean, so I wanted to take you here. Some of the streets have a lot of foliage, a lot of palm trees, but I wanted to show you the ocean. How can you beat that view? I'll show you the other side of the street. What a view. Hope you're enjoying it. If you like content like this, please subscribe, like to my channel. It will help me bring you great content like this. Again, we bring footage that is raw, unedited, unscripted, just between you and me. Anytime I'm working on content, when I'm in a place I'm in, I try to get it up on the channel as quickly as possible so you can enjoy even more of it. Hope you're having a happy new year. Where are you enjoying your new year from? Are you on a beach somewhere? Are you enjoying it from home watching the snow? Is it raining where you are? Is it sunny? Let me know in the comments below. Are you planning on watching some football today? If I was somewhere where it was snowing and hunkered inside, I'd be most likely in front of a TV as well. But here I am, along the southernmost part of the U.S., Key West, Florida. Coming through, coming through. Gotta watch, guys. As you can see, you sometimes have to use verbal commands to keep people out of the way, keep them safe. But that's part of being raw, unedited, unscripted. Things are going to happen along the way, just like life. And you're going to see it all. Sure what that's all about. Looks like it's on the National Register for Historic Sites. How about this stretch of the Atlantic? Unobstructed, beautiful. It is breezy today, so you are going to see quite a bit of chop on the ocean. There's quite a few waves.